Good day, YouTube. This is the Fly Matcha Man here, and I'm about to do a quick tutorial how to make matcha green tea fast without using a lot of time. So I'll show you that here. There's my dog. And you want to have this wisp. It's really nice to use to create matcha, and all you have to do, put in the hot water, just half, and then you put it inside. I did the mistake before putting it outside and push it in. Put it inside, you press the button and it whispers. Yeah, he's not a big fan of this, and and you do this for a couple of seconds, and that's all you need to do. That's literally all you need to do to make matcha green tea. Put the powder in, you put half water, you put it inside, and then you mix it up like this. If you want to get more on this, you do like this. Turn it off and put the rest inside, and there you go. Easy to make matcha green tea. I recommend this. Take care, guys. Hope you have a nice day. Peace out.